sa ai jin ko lang kabashay
Why they pin sa sham she shaka baskels can
they on supply jin khat ka long yang ni rồi yêu vẫn ngắm đi su long ka juba birthday at ban them jin men ba theo si chen ma ruki jao han rei ha ba upa lo du ki ja no ka jin men pat ni nyo o rồi e ban ram
men ro ban juba
Giêsu long ka juba khot loi ye pi un ska kus lai chen jar bo wan ha she u un kersha tin em te kam chu pai ye ngi u ai ching shai u chu ba ka ching man u siêu ka dor ba
Outages at night in the past while being restored late at night or this morning. But take a look at the Kolkata airport visual, which remains shut, is left flooded, and many structures within have been damaged. At least 2 hangars in the airport have collapsed, damaging the aircraft inside.
comes nail blasting
You see the runway completely flooded, the hangars also flooded in Kolkata airport. And take a look at the hangar that has collapsed, damaging the aircraft.
hang ta Giêsu ông ban nga te men yo shong
I can't hang men long but nga Juno my Juno
Giêsu long ka juba khot loi ye pi un ska kus lai chen jar bo wan ha she u un kersha tin em te kam chu pai ye ngi u ai ching shai u chu ba ka ching pen u siêu ka dor ba re lên ti ban chu ba để tăng chinh khát cỡ ba lên ba chinh du ai đã đo nốt cha u hai quạt bộ tên nhỏ ít cô lo chinh cốt ca na hát mi